Alright folks, today we're talking about something that affects every driver, every wallet, and every poor engine crying under your hood. Bad gas. No, not that kind. Your car's kind. Though honestly, some of these gas stations, same energy. Over 70% of fuel sold in the US doesn't have enough detergents to keep your engine clean. That means carbon buildup, rough idle, sad injectors, and your engine slowly turning into a grumpy old man. So today, we're counting down the 11 gas brands you should absolutely avoid, and then the 5 brands that actually make your engine want to send you a thank you card. Buckle up, and maybe tighten your gas cap, because we're starting with 11. Safeway Gasoline, the budget gas. That's a little too budget. Safeway fuel is like dollar store detergent. It technically works, but your clothes or engine won't thank you. Drivers report rough idle, sluggish acceleration, the occasional check engine light popping on like a toaster. Mechanics open these engines up and find more soot than a chimney. And yes, Safeway is not top-tier certified. Translation: your engine is basically on its own out there. 10. 7-Eleven. Gas. 1. Fill-up is fine. The next is chaos. 7-Eleven buys fuel from whatever local supplier offers the cheapest deal that week. So you might get good gas, or you might get something that smells like it was filtered through a garden hose and a dream. People report stalling, hesitation, or mysterious engine knocking that sounds like your motor is trying to tap out Morse code. Some stations have even been shut down for water contamination. Great place for a Slurpee. Terrible place for a fuel system. 9. Sam's Club, the Costco of gasoline, except not in a good way. Sam's Club fuel comes from multiple suppliers, meaning you get a different surprise blend every week. Drivers have reported hard starts, cloudy fuel, filters clogged like your sink after Thanksgiving dinner, and since it's not top-tier certified, you're getting the bare minimum detergent levels. Cheap at the pump, expensive for your injectors. 8. Circle K, the mystery blend of the week station. Circle K buys whatever fuel is cheapest locally. This means your engine becomes a science experiment. Mechanics often find sticky injectors and thick carbon everywhere inside engines that are loyal to Circle K. Some locations have even had contamination issues after heavy rain. Nothing says night ruined like filling up your tank with rainwater. 7. Murphy USA, the Walmart of gas, minus the savings for your engine. Usually parked next to Walmart, Murphy USA is built around low prices. But low price at the pump equals low detergent inside the fuel. Drivers complain about sputtering, hesitation, rough idle. Cars sounding like they just turned 80 years old. Some stations have even been investigated for bad fuel batches. Your wallet saves $1. Your engine loses 10 years. 6. Speedway, flashy signs, not so flashy fuel. Speedway looks clean and modern, but their fuel sources jump around between suppliers. Many mechanics say Speedway gas leads to more carbon buildup than average, especially in direct injection engines. After storms, some stations even had water contamination issues. Imagine your fuel pump trying to drink a smoothie. That's your car. 5. Love's Travel Stops. Great for snacks. Questionable for gas. Love's is super convenient, especially on road trips, but maintaining clean fuel tanks across hundreds of busy stations is tough. Some stations have had sediment, microbial growth, aka fuel bacteria, moisture contamination. Imagine paying for gas and getting a biology experiment instead. Truckers complain about their diesel side, too. Convenience equals 10 out of 10. Fuel consistency equals 4 out of 10. 4. Amoco. Regular grade. Old name, new problems. People hear Amoco and think, hey, classic American gas. But regular grade Amoco doesn't always have the detergent levels you'd expect. Depending on location, some stations don't even meet top-tier standards. It's like buying a vintage car and realizing the engine is held together with duct tape. 3. Pilot Flying J. The fuel that comes with drama. Pilot Flying J is huge, but also had one of the biggest rebate scandals in fuel history. Add to that, diesel contaminated with water, sediment in tanks, engines knocking like an impatient delivery driver. And yeah, not ideal. Great for bathrooms. Mixed reviews for gasoline. 2. Sunoco Regular, racing fuel brand. Unfortunately, not the racing fuel. Sunoco is amazing when you're buying their race fuel, but their regular grade gas? Totally different story. Tests have shown low detergent levels, and some stations have been dinged for ethanol and water issues. It's like expecting a NASCAR engine and getting a lawnmower. Premium is okay. Regular, hard pass. 1. The waste fuel blenders. The true villains. This spot doesn't go to a public brand. It goes to the behind-the-scenes fuel distributors caught selling contaminated blends. Some have mixed used oil, industrial waste, solvent leftovers, stuff that belongs in a hazmat container, not a gas tank. Engines running on this junk don't just get dirty, they get destroyed. Injectors melt, cats get ruined, engines tap out in record time. Luckily, this isn't common, but it's the worst-case scenario. Okay, let's cleanse our palate. Here are the good guys, the fuel brands that actually protect and even clean your engine. 5. Chevron with Techron, the toothpaste for your engine. Techron is one of the best detergent formulas out there. Engines that run on Chevron regularly stay noticeably cleaner. You can actually feel smoother idle after switching. It's like giving your engine a spa day. 4. Shell, the "we put armor inside your engine" gas. Shell's nitrogen-enriched detergent forms a microscopic protective layer inside your engine. Less carbon sticks. Parts stay cleaner. Your engine hums like a happy cat. Every station meets top-tier standards too, so it's consistent. 3. Exxon Mobil, the reliable overachiever. Exxon Mobil's Synergy formula is engineered to prevent carbon and corrosion. Even their regular grade uses the same strong additive package everywhere. This fuel is basically the "I do my homework early kid" of gasoline. 2. Costco gasoline, the plot twist hero. People think cheap equals low quality, but Costco said, what if we were cheap and better than everyone else? They're top-tier certified. They maintain clean tanks because they sell so much fuel, and they often have more detergents than name brands. It's the best bang for your buck fuel in the country. Engine approved, wallet approved. 1. BP/Amico Ultimate, the fuel that actually scrubs your engine. This is one of the strongest cleaning formulas you can buy at a normal gas pump. Engines that switch to BP Ultimate often run smoother after just a few tanks. It's top-tier certified and designed to remove deposits, not just prevent them. Yes, it costs more, but so does an engine rebuild. Final takeaway. Cheap gas isn't always bad, but inconsistent gas absolutely is. When in doubt, look for top-tier certified signs, stick to consistent brands, and avoid stations that look like their last maintenance check was in 1994. If you want a follow-up video, I can also make fuel additives that actually work versus total scams. Should you ever use premium gas? 10 car mistakes that are secretly destroying your engine. Now, before you peel out of here like you're in Fast and Furious 27, drop a comment. Tell me, what's the worst gas you've ever used? Ever had a station ruin your whole week? Or maybe you swear by one brand. I want to know. Your horror stories, your success stories, your "my engine sounded like a lawnmower for 2 days" stories. All of it goes down in the comments, like the video. If this helped you, made you laugh, or prevented your engine from developing abandonment issues, hit that like button harder than that one time you tightened your gas cap 14 clicks too many. And of course, subscribe. If you want more car tips, engine myths busted, things mechanics wish you knew, stuff that dealerships hope you never find out, and comedic car chaos every week, then smash that subscribe button. And ring the bell so YouTube actually remembers I exist. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, fuel smart, and may your gas always be clean and your check engine light forever stay asleep. See you in the next one.